What's up, thrill seekers? Today I am seeking a new kind of adventure here in Toronto. I have heard a lot about Toronto's path system of underground tunnels. They're supposed to be great for navigating the city in the winter. So I'm seeing today if I can navigate from the northernmost point to the southernmost point of the path tunnels. Now I hear that it can be kind of tricky to get around path. I have decided I am only going to use path signage and this little paper map if I need it. I also was told that maybe it would help to have a tour guide. So I went to BlogTO, looked up the most renowned path tour guides, and I found one called Ontario Smith, and I have hired them to meet me here, and they're already late. So I'm gonna hang out here until they show.
Are you Luke with Canadian Thrill Seekers?
Yes, I am. Renowned archaeologist and path enthusiast, Ontario Smith.
The one and only. Should we get this adventure started?
I think we should. What do you have here?
I have the only known paper map of the path network in Toronto that is complete.
Oh, this thing I printed off the internet?
Worthless.
Oh, worthless. Okay.
Well, we're starting our adventure here, right at the northernmost point of path. We came in at the corner of Bay and Dundas.
Let's take a look at this map.
This is the only paper map of the Toronto Path Network that is fully accurate.
This thing is a mess. What is this, like an ancient artifact of
No, I
path?
printed this out on my laser printer. I just spilled coffee on it this morning.
Oh.
Absolutely no technology will be used today whatsoever. We decided not to use any phones or other technology, no mapping apps. We're going to use wayfinding, like this sign here.
Oh.
But those will be our only clues to getting through path. We're in the atrium, which is considered the beginning of path. So let's begin to begin.
Let's get it going.
Follow me.
This is probably the only Tim Hortons on path, yeah?
If you make it all the way to the end of this video and you can tell me how many Tim Hortons you saw in the video, I'll be like, wow.
Ooh, in case you need some alcohol to begin your path journey. We descending? Are we going deeper?
We gotta go down to go up.
Okay. Ooh, a little chilly.
These were discovered thousands of years ago.
They're wearing hats and carrying briefcases.
It's one of the earliest depictions of homosexual love that we've seen depicted in a cave environment.
I don't think that's right. I see a path sign. We are so far going the correct way. But now where?
Eaton Center?
Sure.
Anytime it seems like I don't know where I'm going, rest assured that I absolutely do. It's all a test.
Uh-huh. Sure.
Where do we go from here?
I don't see anything that says path, Ontario. What does the map say we should be walking toward? Should we be going toward the Ted Rogers School of Management? The Eaton Center? Well, there's the Eaton Center.
So we should be walking toward Eaton Center.
Okay.
Very good. You passed the test. We're going to go straight.
Okay.
You know, I've never seen a marketplace bazaar quite like this before.
I think this is a mall.
Do you think we'd be able to barter for some provisions?
I think you should pay whatever's on the price tag. The map really made it look like we'd have to travel to get to the Eaton Center, but I'm gonna go out on a limb and say we're in it.
Yes, that's correct. We are in the Eaton Center.
Okay.
Do you believe that we have wandered off the path?
Well, the path is supposed to be below, right? Should we go down and see what happens? Okay.
Turning around.
Yep. This is going great.
So far, so good. I'm getting a little bit Canadian tired of this.
See, you know, I see the path sign, but that's the path that I already came from. I'm gonna say when in doubt, go down though. Does that sound right, Ontario?
Gotta go down to go up.
Yeah.
Even Ontario gets a little turned around from time to time in the map. This way.
All right, so sometimes path is just like the big mall that they have you walking through, huh?
I think largely path is just stuff like this.
that's a good sign. We got a path. Path
Yeah,
sign.
we've got a little bit of wayfinding up here.
Lesson learned, don't always look for the like rainbow colored one because sometimes they go black and white on you.
Another quiz for you, Luke.
Sure.
What does PATH stand for?
The People's Authority of Transit Hospitality.
I can't believe you got that right on your first try.
Is that right?
No, PATH doesn't stand for anything, which is a little irritating because it's 4 capital letters.
It is
So
all
you would
caps.
assume that it's an acronym or at least an initialism of some kind. It's not.
Yeah, you can't just go abusing all caps like that.
It's an irresponsible use of capital letters.
Yeah. This is a bustling mall. It's gigantic.
Fun facts. To go from the northernmost point to the southernmost point of PATH is approximately 2.4 kilometers. It would take most people about 35 minutes to walk,
If you know where you're going.
which no one does, and so it's going to take you longer than that.
Right. I see another path sign. It's a good sign.
Yeah, that is a good sign.
They're all good signs. So as long as they keep labeling this well, we'll be just fine. Ooh, look at this.
This is a beautiful temple.
Again, I don't think it's a temple. I do think indeed this is just a really fancy mall. We're at Queen's Cross Food Hall.
It appears to be some type of dining car.
I think it's a food court. Should we stop for some provisions?
I think perhaps we should. Follow my lead. I'm going to inquire with the barkeep to see if they have any information. Maybe we can loosen their lips with a little bit of coin. About like right there, right?
That would be my guess, yeah.
You can have mine. I don't want this.
You're insulting them, and you're embarrassing me. Drink it. From here.
If we keep going this way, we'll find the next section of path. Follow me.
It's very cold all of a sudden. That's not a good sign. Please don't make us actually go outside. I'm not dressed for that. Do you think we go this way?
I do.
Good. Cool. Good job. Okay, so the path is now beneath us. Okay. All right. Cool. Cadillac Fairview, and we are heading toward Union Station. That tracks. Eventually, we want to be in Union Station.
I guess we keep going this way.
Yeah.
I mean, this way. Path network sign. We're on the right track.
Haha.
This is Bay Street.
Oh, we were here.
So we're here. We are here.
So we'll head toward the Sheraton Center and then go south.
Something's always under construction. And the maps, they don't get updated. Except for this one. Oh, good. We're on the right path.
All right, so we have to make a decision now. Which path is our path?
City Hall, Queen Street. Yeah, we don't want to go right because that's where we came from. We want to go left.
Do we? Okay, yeah, that tracks.
What is this beautiful temple that was obviously built to touch the heavens?
I believe that's the CN Tower.
So you can see N from there? What is N?
I think it's just the company that built the tower, maybe? Whee!
More wayfinding. We made the right choice. We are going south. Our goal is to get to the beautiful temple. I want to see the end.
Tim Hortons. Maybe the only thing open? It
Doesn't look open to me.
No, never mind. Nothing's open. It's a Sunday, so when is it open? Just weekdays? Do people only come in the path on weekdays?
Nutsies. I hate these guys. You know, so far, I would say that we're doing pretty well. We've had a couple of detours.
It's true, we haven't gotten just fully lost yet.
We've also managed to remain inside path. This way?
It would appear, yeah. We're at the Richmond Adelaide Center. What happens there? Let's see, where was that? Richmond Adelaide Center.
Yeah, so we just keep going, right?
Okay, yeah,
Okay.
sure.
There's the main path routes, and then there's the supplemental path routes. I don't know if that's what they call them, but they're marked in 2 different colors on our map.
No, we don't. We want to go back.
Damn.
Yeah, that's okay. We didn't go far. We can't be far off the beaten path.
I should have just gone straight. I turned right. Should have gone straight.
Yeah,
But I don't like being straight. Do you know what I mean?
yeah, you're not good at it. Down we go. We are back.
We're back on track.
We're back on the path.
Okay, so we're gonna go right and then left, which should take us to this portion of path that will take us all the way to the tower.
We got another closed food court. A lot of food courts. You know that you're in like the ritzy neighborhood because they made everyone mute their colors, except for Subway. Subway paid extra. Uh-oh, path goes both ways.
We're here.
Yeah, that just takes us off to the side. We want to get
crap.
back onto the southern
So we want to
route.
go left and then right.
Uh-huh.
This is King Street. No.
That's King Street. Food court, kinda. We got some signs. What's this one take us to?
145 King West.
All right, we don't want to be going to St. Andrews Station. We want to be going the other way.
Okay, you're doing great.
Thanks. Toronto Dominion Center and Union Station. Okay, that sounds right. We want to go to Union Station. I know that. I do not want to go to the street. I did not wear a coat today. Tim Hortons, how do you feel like we're doing?
It's at times like these that are the most nerve-wracking in path. Am I going the right way? Will I ever know?
I like whatever feels like it's keeping me indoors. Here we go. We're at the nexus of the universe.
Yeah, we are.
It does get a bit repetitive. Food court, mall, Tim Hortons.
Well, Luke,
Okay,
we've made it to Union Station. We're here.
okay.
What we're gonna do is continue south until we're on the other side of Union Station
Oh, all right.
and then travel this way. Hopefully,
We gotta get to the other side of the tracks, huh?
if we can.
Cool. Oh.
Well, let's get going.
That takes us to the South Core Financial Center. Is that something that we want? Oh, yeah, that was on the map. The most dangerous obstacle yet. The stopped escalator. Whatever this is looks fun. Still above ground, but warm. Maybe immediately to the right here. Yeah, there it is. There it is. That is really, really easy to miss. I am gonna want a cookie if we make it all the way through this video without me face planting on stairs.
We're going the right way.
Thank goodness, because I'm getting tired. Sometimes there's like an overabundance of path signage and then none at all.
Oh my God, we did it.
Oh wow.
This is where we are.
Oh, okay.
And that was our goal. So
Cool, we
we
made
need
it.
to find the feeder route that takes us to Love Park, and then we will have completed our quest.
Huzzah!
We haven't been outside yet. This is our first exit. This is the very southernmost point of the path network. So to make it official, I'm gonna walk outside. Come on.
I think it's gonna be cold.
Well, we did it. Thank you for enlisting my services, Luke. I hope that I have been a passable guide. You passed nearly every test. You have been a wonderful traveling companion. Thanks for joining Luke and me on this adventure of cartography. Did it take us longer than 35 minutes?
Oh, yes. Yes, it was much longer than 35 minutes.
Do you think we walked more than 2.4 kilometers?
I do believe we did, yes. In fact, the sun was well up when we began our journey.
Well, thrill seekers, it was lovely to meet you. I had so much fun. I hope we get to do another tour like this someday soon. And as they say on Canadian Thrill Seekers, they'll see you in the next one.